Hi guys, we're back again with the SetUpps FRISX RAZOR signal indicator for Thursday the 30th of April trading results. So the results for the week so far, we are minus 80 pips. If you watch my previous videos, you would know that I've been recording my daily signals for the past 2 weeks, and this is the second week. First week we were up by 210 pips in profit. This week we're down by I think minus 80 pips so far. So the result for today, Thursday the 30th, we shall find out how it went. We had a signal triggered this morning at 7:32, and we unfortunately hit stop loss. That's trading for you. That's real trading. I've said so many times in my videos, I'm not sugarcoating it and I'm not cherry picking. I'm going to show you the wins and the losses. Unfortunately, that his stop loss went not much into profit and went straight back into drawdown and hit stop loss at within about a couple of hours, if I'm right. Yeah, about two hours. So that was the first loss. That was minus 20 pips. If you watch my previous videos, you'd know that I've set the risk reward to be 1-to-1, 20 pips stop loss and 20 pips TP, and that works pretty well on the signals and on GU. Now we had another signal about 3:25 in the afternoon, and unfortunately, so that hit stop loss as well. But this is where I always say trade management can be very useful when you trading the Forex market. I personally tend to take profit when the market makes it available to me. So when it goes into profit by about 10 pips, I tend to move my stop loss to protect my capital. So in this case, you can tell, even though it went to hit stop loss minus 20 pips stop loss, it did go as far down as 16 pips, just under 15.9 pips, almost at the 20 pip stop loss, and then decided to turn around. Again, as we know, the market's unpredictable. No trading system is 100% accurate. So unfortunately, his stop loss. But what I was trying to say is when it goes past 10 pips, I tend to move my stop loss to break even. Plus one, I would say, but to break even. So if the market should go against me, I tend to make it +1 so that it covers the fees for the broker. But just for the sake of this video, we'll bring to break even so that if the price should go back against us, we lose no money, if it makes sense. So we protect the capital. Now, for the purpose of this video, we would assume that I didn't do that, and it obviously went back down to hit and stop loss and close the trade. So that is the second loss for the day, and that's minus 40 pips in total. Now we had another trade again, and you can tell that day was probably a bullish day. We had another signal at 3:57. That again went into profit. This went as far as, I think within a few minutes, went to 11.2 pips. Now at this point, after 10 pips, I'd have moved my stop loss. But again, that's how I trade. So to break even, sometimes I'll leave it, but I tend to protect my capital. It depends on how much I've made for the day. If I've had successful trades, I tend to risk that and leave it. But if I haven't made enough profit, in this case, I've made 2 losses, made a first loss of the day, I'll try to protect the capital. Everyone's risk appetite is different, and everyone's risk management is different. So that's how I do it. But for the purpose of the video, again, would I consider it as a loss because it went in his stop loss. So on Thursday, the 30th of April, that was a total loss of minus 60 pips. It's still a positive week so far because I'm recording every day. I'm trying for the whole month so that we can see the progress of the signal. So far, even though today is a loss and this week is we're losing. Last week we made enough profit, so we're still on the plus side, if it makes sense. Now I'm going to leave this, and then we'll come back to record the next one for Friday, the 1st of May. So I'll leave you with it, and I'll see you tomorrow.